Hi guys, welcome back to my 123, and today we are going to be doing our slime collection. Oh, stop. Don't mind that. I think there's talc on the thing that I can't take off. So, these are all of these slimes I'm going to be showing, and then Abigail is going to be showing the rest. She has 5 slime, and actually no.
Oops, but these are the sneak peek of some of them. Let's get onto the video.
Okay guys, sorry about the flashlight that keeps coming on. Oh. The first slime that I'm going to be showing is this slime, and this is a Glam Glue. It's actually a putty, but I kind of count it as a slime. So yeah, sorry for like unfocusing at any time. I literally just poked it before this video. I'm just poking it in the container. And this is like one of my least favourite slimes, because little pieces stick on it because it's like clear slime. It's super tough, but it's got a lot of glitter in it. It looks really nice and holographic. Super pretty. It's called like it's like a mermaid slime basically. It's super tough, but when it was good, it was like absolutely amazing. So yeah, right now there's nothing like, it's not really ASMR we can do with any this. Look, when the glitter comes out, it's really tough. So now my hands are really holographic. So yeah, have good time seeing the rest of the slimes with holographic fingers.
Let's go on to the next one. Okay guys, so this is the next slime. It is a super thick slime and it's chewing gum slime. But this is not the full name yet, so it's kind of like a reddish pink. It smells like gross, like I want to puke. It's kind of tough, and believe it or not, it was an 8 ounce. And yeah, it's kind of like not good anymore. It's like they can't really do anything with it. Let me move, please. Go for it. Okay. It's kind of tough and it needs a slime maker vessel. If you go on MA123, you might be doing the slime maker vesting. It's like really tough. Like it worked, like it just basically like pops back up whenever you poke it. Look. Oops, sorry, it wasn't focusing. It has a couple of blue glitters, I don't know why, and some holographic star glitters. Don't know if you can see them actually. Sorry if it keeps focusing. Come on, focus. Let's go a little bit. Let me just get it to focus. There we go. See, it's got a couple of star glitters in it. Okay, there's nothing really I can do with this slime, so let's go on to the next one.
Okay guys, the next slime that I'm going to be showing is this extra. I got it in Twilight Slimes. I was check it out. This was full to the top, but we took the flan beads out because it was like falling out. So yeah, and there's actually a few still in here. It's a Cloud Fluff / Cloud Cream, and this has hardly any flan beads in it. Look clean. It comes out so quickly now. I'm sorry, it never used to. It's super nice. It does fluff up really nicely. As you can tell, there's like 11 flan beads in it. Don't know why I said 11. And they still fall out. It smells like berries. It's called Strawberry Fizz, this one. Yeah, as you can tell, the flan beads are kind of like falling out right now.
I'm kind of about
stop. So yeah, it doesn't really make any poking sounds. As you can tell, if I just focus it, you'll be able to see that the snow is like coming off.
And there's also like black glitter in it as well.
So yeah, I love this slime anyway.
Yeah, it's like one of our favourite slimes.
Yeah, it's kind of like a coral cream.
Okay, let's go on to the next one. Okay guys, sorry about the flashlight keeps coming off. It just needs a bit of lighting. This is I haven't got a name for this yet, but it's like a purpley blue slime, and it's got star glitters in it. Can you see?
It is a
icy slime.
Yeah, icy slime. Sorry.
It's kind of tough. Maddie actually remakeovered this, but she basically just changed the colour. She didn't really fix it. And the star glitters are kind of like sharp. And I don't think I'm going to get much use out of this because it's not really doing anything at the moment.
Just
it's
shove
like,
it across the counter.
It's dead.
Oh.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry. As you can see, my finger just clicked. The snow comes off a lot, but the looks is okay.
Yeah, I feel like we should just go on to the next slime. No one's satisfied. Next slime. Okay. No. Okay, guys, I think I'll not even put it back in the container yet. I go put it away. No one wants to see it. It's disgusting. Okay, so next slime was in this glam glue.
Didn't you just show that?
No, that was this. What's you know this one?
Oh yeah.
So this was in a glam glue container, and I love these containers because they're not bendy. They're really hard plastic. And this one just fits perfectly. It's like a 2 ounce. This one. So yeah, this one is a cloud.
This one's so pretty.
As you can tell, all of the holographic glitter. So I'm just gonna try it and we'll do ASMR. Oh, that one. Sorry. Do you not? Real. Stop it.
Okay, that was enough of these, man. I couldn't be quiet for long enough. Okay, so that's that slime. As you can see, the
Wait, you didn't even let me do.
the iridescentness comes out a lot.
Get away. Yeah, it's super slime. I mean, it's super small slime.
Okay, on to the next one.
I'm trying to fluff it up and you didn't even let me.
Okay, that's it. Okie dokie. So the next slime is this purpley slime. It's more like magenta on camera. It's more magenta in real life. So it is magenta colour.
You just said that.
By the way, guys, comment down below how much to say magenta in this video. And it has some big glitters in it. So let's just do like let's see if it's bubbly.
I know what slime would be good for bubbliness.
Stop giving them a sneak peek. Okay, so this get off.
Okay, go a bit distracted.
So this slime is super
Just say
nice.
it's gonna turn into a clip.
Oh no. So the slime is super nice. I actually love this slime, but the only thing that I don't like about it is
Stinks.
yeah, and that the glitter comes off and it's not all stretchy.
It kind of is stretchy. She's a like it. It's so stretchy. This is kind of like another one of them bubblegum slimes that we showed.
It's
at the beginning.
a super thick slime. It's better than the bubblegum slime though. It's super thick.
And yes, there's a whole packet of glitter in that.
Yeah, I got too a little bit crazy. This was in a slime maker video, by the way. So, and look, the glitter comes off a lot.
Oh well, more glitter for the slime. Sorry, I just had to add it in.
Okay. Maybe stop ruining the satisfyingness.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry if there's flumbies in it. They accidentally got it.
Okay, let's go on to the ASMR because this is going to be the last slime. It's going to be actually not.
So there's 2 more.
This is going to be my last slime and the best slime.
Okay, let's get on to the next one.
Okay, so I'm just gonna be quiet for the rest of this, so you guys can hear the satisfying. So Abigail, be quiet.
Okay, that's enough ice, man.
Yeah, I think
Can I feel it now?
you have to chill.
It's kind of hard because I put some activate on the bottom whilst it clear up. And now we have to wait another week.
Clear piece of slime. Well, it's pretty
Super
fun.
nice.
That is good.
This is like the best part of the video, but we've still got 2 more slimes to it, so please just stay.
Yeah, please stay, don't leave.
Okay, let's go on to the next one.
Just saying, I'm going to be playing with slime for the rest of the video.
Okay, this next slime is Midnight Sky. It is this black slime with like all different glitters on it. We have blue glitters, star glitters. It's meant to like Midnight Sky. Look at So this slime is super nice. I actually really like this one. It's just a bit greasy. But it's like one of my first like good slimes I've ever had. And it is gladly still good. Right, okay.
I don't think gladly is the word of a girl.
It is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to shut up then.
This slime is super glossy and thick. And it is a glossy thick slime like I just said. And it kind of feels like the magenta slime.
You just said my
Oh, yeah.
name again.
But it's kind of a bit thicker and less like glittery. Super pretty. Even though it's black. And yeah. I love this slime because it's like super shimmery. Especially on camera. It's kind of a bit more grey in real life. Sorry guys, the video almost ended. I'm sorry the light's gone because Olivia's phone's about to die. But anyways, let's move on to the next
The
one.
risks I do for this video.
Let's move on to the next one. Oops. Okay, so this next slime is this green apple. Sorry, we just changed the name. It's chocolate chip slime. It is a green slime with blue glitter.
Chocolate chip ice cream. No, mint chocolate chip ice cream.
It's kind of like gone hard, but like
Is it?
you basically
It's gone hard. A baby.
oh yeah, get off of it. You basically just have to warm it up and then it gets a bit better.
We haven't played with these slimes in a while. That's why I'm just like hogging.
Yeah, and
this
it's
one.
actually like
I've
freezing.
been waiting for this one to clear it the whole time.
So
I didn't
it's
even clear it for the video, but yeah.
super glossy and thick, sort of activated. And yeah, it's like super nice. This is like one of my favourite slimes. This is like my second favourite slime. And yeah, super nice and I absolutely love it. Let's go into ASMR mode. Olivia, can you put your slime away now?
You can't do ASMR. Comment down below who's better at ASMR.
Olivia, shut up!
Sure.
Sorry, that's fail.
Ow.
You ruined my ASMR.
By the way, guys, I'm not putting talc on my clear slime, don't worry.
So yeah. Okay, this is going to be a quick ending. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed.